In this lecture, I will show you with a case study how to prepare a data source for an Excel pivot table. In the screen, you are seeing a workbook. In the Sheet 1 worksheet, you are seeing sales data of a company. The company sells three products: bar equipment, commercial appliances, and concession equipment. The company sells these three products in two regions and in total four markets. The presentation of the data is meaningful, no doubt, but this data is not appropriate for use in a pivot table. Let's prepare this data for an Excel pivot table. There is no product name column of this data, so I make a column heading as product name. Then I create column headings for region and market. Also, there is no column heading for the month names. I make one. And finally, there is no column heading for sales data. I also make one. Now, this table is small, so I can manually input data into this new table from this data presentation easily. But if you are working with a dataset that have millions of rows, then manual input of data would be impossible, and in that case, you can use Excel formula. Our data is small in size, so let's input the data manually. Under product name, I input bar equipment. Under region, I input Mid-West for 3 times. And North for 2 times. Under market, I input Chicago, Kansas City, Omaha, Dakotas, and Great Lakes. Under month, I input January for 5 times. Now I copy paste this January sales data from here to here. Now I copy this zone, the first 5 rows under the region and market headings. I paste the values for 3 times one after another. Now I input the month names February, March, and April in this zone. Then I copy the sales data of February and paste here. In the same way, I copy paste the sales data of March and April. Now I fill these cells with the product name bar equipment. So using this part of this data, we have made this part of the data table. In the same way, prepare data table for commercial appliances and concession equipment product names. I format the column headings differently. So this case study gives you a clear idea on how to prepare a data table for Excel pivot table.